So you might be trying to figure out how you can clear your RAM on iOS 17. Now doing this is actually very basic, and it really doesn't take too much time. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is you want to go inside of your settings application right here. If you have an iPhone with the home button, you can skip these steps. But if you have like a notched iPhone, go inside of your iPhone settings like this. You want to scroll down until you see accessibility, which is right here. And then what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and find touch, which is right here. So tap on touch, and you want to go ahead and click on assistive touch. And you want to enable assistive touch, which is right there. So what you're going to want to do when you have that enabled, you want to go ahead and basically click the volume up button, let go, click the volume down button, let go, and then hold down the side button that's on the right side of your specific iPhone. So it's going to look something like this: volume up, volume down, and then hold down the side button right on the side, and you're going to come into this page. Now, when you're on this page, what you're going to want to do is you want to go and click on the little icon that comes up like this. And then you want to hold down the home button, which is right there. So click on the little icon, and then you want to hold down the little home button right here. And you will see the little icon will just kind of go away. Some of your widgets may refresh like they just did there, and then you'll basically come into this panel. Now, what you're going to want to do here when you're in this page is you want to go ahead, and if your RAM is basically cleared out. So if you make your way over to an application, you can see that it will actually refresh. So it should actually refresh. And that kind of tells you that the RAM has now been cleared. It is super basic, and it doesn't take too much time. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. If you found this video useful, please remember to like, share, and subscribe.